Hello friends, welcome to Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your mentor Sujit Bhaskar. Today we are going to learn about an interesting topic about support and resistance. How to draw support and resistance. So today we will be going to cover some of the key topics. Okay, so let us go to our presentation now. So today we will be covering three main topics. One is how to draw support resistance. Second is when to judge the reversal. And third is when breakout occurs. So these three are very important for any option trader. Okay. So if you understand these three topics, you can able to know when to enter into the trading, when to exit, and what should be your risk to reward ratio, triple R. Okay, so before jumping into the video, if you people didn't watch the best strategy for intraday trading, you can just watch it. You can check in my I button. There is a link is there. You can click that link. There you will get to know the best strategy for intraday trading. If you are watching this video, you should definitely watch that video also. Also, you can go to my channel where you can find the daily bank nifty analysis. Okay, so majorly I focus into bank nifty trading. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the video. And if you like this video or if you like my other videos, please subscribe my channel. That will give me a lot of motivation to do such kind of videos in the future. And please like this video, please subscribe it, and please share it to all your friends and your colleagues. Okay, and also you can press the bell icon to get all future notification. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the today's session. So today we are going to cover three major topics. So one is how to draw support and resistance. So first we will go to the first one, how to draw support and resistance level. Okay, so I'm just quickly opening the bank nifty chart using trading view. So if you don't know about trading view, you can refer to YouTube. You will get more inputs on the trading view channel if you are new to trading. I hope my viewers are at least kind of medium or advanced trading people. If you need any basics on this, what terms I used to say, please put on the comment section. I am very much happy to answer those comments. Okay, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so always remember that to draw support resistance level, okay, you need to really understand that you should draw the support and resistance not in a 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 13 minutes chart. You have 1 minute chart, you can see here. I'm just putting a drop down. 1 minute, you have 3 minutes, you have 5 minutes to 15. So always remember that to draw support resistance level, you should draw in a time frame of 4 hours or 1 day. Okay, so I'll just filter it to 4 hours. So you can see, you need to just zoom it out. Let me remove all the pivot levels or the touch indicators which I have drawn in here, so that will create your confusion. So we removed everything. Okay, now okay, let's zoom it out. So how to draw the support and resistance level, right? The first point is come into the 4 hours or 1 day time frame. Now we are in 4 hours or 1 day time frame. Okay, then what is the next point? Next point, to draw as many touches as possible. So we need to draw the support and resistance level we need to draw the line as such that it should touch maximum points. Then, if some of you people are questioning what is support and resistance, then I'll just quickly cover the basics. I hope my viewers know about what is support and resistance. If not, see, what do you mean by support? You can see that here it is, the market is going up. Then at this point, the trend changes, it is reversed. So what is this actually? This is a resistance. Okay, resistance in the sense, if you want to climb it, you are climbing it and you are touching the ceiling of your room. What is that? It is a resistance. It will not allow you to go up. It is not going to allow you to cross the wall. It is stopping your head there. That is the resistance. What is the support? When you climb down and you touch on the floor, so what will happen? So that floor is supporting you, and it will avoiding you to fall down. So that is support. Again, if you see, you are on the second floor. Okay, so you are in the second floor room. So that second floor is there. The floor is a support. But if you are in the first floor in the same room, then that same floor will be like a resistance, right? So that is, support and resistance will keep on changing, and it matters from how you are approaching it. If you are approaching from down to up, this is a resistance, and if it is up, so the same point, if it is coming from down and touching here, this is a support. So it will change. It is a matter how the direction, in which direction the market is approaching or is trending. You can see from down, it is the uptrend. So this point will be like resistance. This is vice versa. Like it is coming here, it touches here, now it is a support. Then it will get market reversed. Okay. So that is on the support and resistance. Okay. Now we will first, as the second point is that we need to identify the maximum touches. So we can see here this point. So a little bit we'll zoom it to give more this thing. But we need to, so see, this point, just try it. We put a horizontal line. You can press Alt H, or you can go to this bar here. Then you can use horizontal line. Otherwise, you can put Alt. You press Alt and H together. You can draw the horizontal line. Okay. Vertical, same, Alt plus V means vertical. So that kind of vertical line. If you want to just put the beginning of the day and use 9:15 to 3:50, you want to put one line, you can do the same also. We have drawn this line because how many support? One support, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see here that it is a support here, it's a support here, it is a support here, support here. This is a resistance here. This is a resistance. This is a support. Okay. So that is one point we have drawn. Then we need to little bit zoom it. We need to identify other points. This is a good point. Yes. This also has some good touches, right? Here also support is there. Support is there, resistance is there, there also support is there. See, the major touches here comes here. See, so likewise you need to draw the support and resistance. So this should be here in your chart. That is the first point. Then the moving averages. Moving average we will come in the later part of this video. So please watch completely. If you don't have time to watch this video, if you are in a hurry, please stop here and save it in your playlist. And once you are free, then only watch the video. You need to watch till end of this video to get more insight on support resistance. You should watch till the end, then only you will get the full knowledge. Then you will be able to capture entire information. I also request you to note down all these points in your notebook. You should have a notebook separately for share market and to note down all the points. So you please note down all this in your diary or whatever, maybe you need to put a notepad, whatever way you want. But I always prefer to write in a diary because that will be like a physical. So you can always refer to it whenever you want instead of opening the laptop or mobiles. It's irritating the eyes also. So better to have a book where you can, without any harm, you can read whenever you want. Physical entity is very important. You can at least note down some key points on whatever I written, that points you can note it down. Okay. Then how to draw the first unit already we covered is most forward. Then most trending level. There is a more trending level you identified, right? Then draw line considering most touches. So we come into the first topic. We completed the first topic, how to draw support and resistance. Then second comes is the reversal at support and resistance. Okay, so that we will cover it now. Okay, so to know that when the reversal happens, reversal at support and resistance. Now we draw on the support and resistance. So when the reversal in the sense, where is the reversal happening? You can see a reversal here, right? So to capture that, so when the reversal happens at larger candles. Okay, larger the time away from the previous candle close. Draw line considering. So first we have drawn these lines. So we can see when the reversal happens. So it should not be the case always it matters. So here you can see large candle formed. So large candle. So let us quickly go to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, we are drawn the 5 minutes chart. Now we are into 5 minutes chart. Okay. One more thing I want to tell you, you need to do the support resistance. This is the major support and resistance. But you need to do the support and resistance on the daily time frame also. For that you should use pivot. Okay. This pivot standard, you can go to the indicator here. You can put the pivot standard. You can find it in the pivot point standard is there. There you need to click it. So for that the pivot, I think you might be knowing. If you don't know about pivot points, please put in your comment section. I will be doing separate video on pivots. Okay. So here pivot, you need to go to the settings. Then you need to select the Fibonacci. That is always important. Okay. Then you need to save as default. So pivot, the Fibonacci is very, very important. Then press OK. So when suppose at this point, so this is the major we have drawn this thing. We can draw more support and resistance level, that is not an issue. But right now we will just cover it whatever we have drawn it. Maybe you can do backtesting. You can do backtesting anytime. You can do backtest not only in Bank Nifty. You can do backtesting in other like Nifty indexes, or you can do it in the shares also. Stocks also you can do it. Then you can take any trending shares like TCS or Maruti, whichever you want, you can do that backtesting on that also. You can do the back, but I just tell you that how the next command is the reversal at support and resistance. So this is the, so you will just quickly, so here you can see. So all these points you can see here, the reversal. So you can see big candle is formed. So big candle means in the 5 minutes time frame, the big candle means it's a big candle. You can take this the opening here and closing here. It's a 100 points candle. It's a big candle, right? Right. So you can see big candle is formed at this point, then suddenly reversal happens. That is very, very important, guys. If you are doing option trading, please listen very carefully this video. So you can do anytime backtesting, because I randomly selected this. I didn't do any kind of a pre-work to exactly pinpoint the areas, right? No. So everything this is written. So just we are covering the reversal at support resistance. Then we will come to the breakout. That is a different topic, how the breakout happens. But reversal also very important. Suppose at this point of time area, you think that hey, market is going up, then if you are buying, it touches this support and resistance. This market is reversed. If you are in a buy position, you will incur huge loss. You will hit your stop loss. If you forgot to put stop loss, then you see that in the 5 minutes time with 100 points, almost if you are investing one or more than 5 lakhs means more than 1.5 2 lakhs you will be incurring loss. So you should be very careful in intraday trading if you are playing with huge capital. So there is a risk reward ratio. How much capital you should put, that's also things are there. If you can afford, if you are having capital of 50 lakhs, then 5 lakhs is okay, you can afford it. Same case if you have, if you have one play with the 10,000, which is acceptable as far as risk reward ratio. Means you can take risk of 10% if your capital of 1 lakh. Whatever 10% of your capital you can take it as a risk if you have all the expenses completed. And see, market is no strategy will 100%. So you cannot predict the market 100%. If we can predict market 100 times 100%, everybody will be in a profit situation, right? Any strategy, anything if you develop, but market is to be watched very carefully. Okay, no strategy will give 100% confidence level. That is the first criteria. Okay, that's always remember it. Okay, then coming to the reversal. So this, if you can see, this green candle is formed here. As soon as it's touched, then reversed it. So the big candle is formed prior to the reversal. That is a big candle is formed. Again, we can just look into the reversal things at the support level. So this is also a big candle. Here there is no support level, but this is a support level at the daily trend. Okay, so we will just cover it up in the just quickly see where we have drawn we have drawn some level, right? So quickly cover it up. We will zoom it here. This is also a reversal, but again it will retest happened, then it is closed. So this is the third topic is retest, that we will cover it up in the third topic. So this is what we call as the reversal at support and resistance. You can draw other support level. You can do multiple, like it will not be like 3-4 types of okay in the 1 hour or 1 day or 4 hours time frame. Then coming on breakout. So when the breakout happens, so breakout happens in these 3 scenarios. First scenario is higher lows ascending triangles, lower highs leads to support, and third is a consolidation. What is higher lows ascending triangle? Again we will come into the chart. Okay, so we will come to this time frame. So when the breakout happens, how the breakout happens? The breakout will happen always with the support of buyers. You can take one example here. This ascending triangle means this is a opening. This is a green candle opening close. Then next closing will be above the previous closing. Like that it will go. Then this is the support. This is the support level. This is a resistance. Then it is retested. Then it again went up high. So this is how this breakout happens. Okay. So again breakout in the sense is breakout in the upside and the breakout in the lower side. Okay. So you can see here and also you can see here, see this is the breakout. Then we can go through that to see the consolidation and breakout. So this is a consolidation. That is the third point. So the lower highs in the sense, if it has a good support, that means the sellers are trying to push it further down. So that's how then the sudden breakout will happen. Okay, that we can see here. See, sellers are pushing down. So this can touch this. It again retested. So this is retest is very important. Okay, so always when like this went up down, then it came up again. It went up, but this retest is failed. It is failed. The next red candle formed, then you should enter here. It's kind of a downtrend. This is a breakout scenario. Okay, retest is failed, then it came to breakout scenario. Okay, and here also you can see the third point is a consolidation. This market is consolidated. See, consolidated can be drawn like you can see. You can draw one downtrend to all the points. Okay, then you can one more trend line you can draw. I will draw a trend line like this. Okay, this trend line, as soon as it broken this trend line, this is a trend line. This is kind of a skewing consolidation. These two trend lines are, if you draw the trend line, is skewed. As soon as this has broken this trend line, it's not going up. That is a consolidation and breakup. Okay, that you can see. And also, I'll get one more interesting point here. So somebody, if you ask me, carefully watch here. The one question I just want you to notice, why this market is as well as this point. It is crossed S3, below S3. So here comes the open interest data of NSE, where you need to see where the option sellers are sitting. Okay, where the option sellers are sitting. Now I will draw this trend. This can be some kind of a major support on the system levels in the 1 hour, the 4 hours time frame. So just I'm doing random. I don't know whether I will be right or wrong. First, I will draw this horizontal line. Just draw the horizontal line. For our identity, we will change the color into green. I don't know all that. Only this thing only change. Okay. Only this is. I think it will be more yellow. We put yellow. It will be more visible. So why this is reverse flat to this one? Because this is 38,000 maybe. What will be there? Put sellers will be more because put option will they want market to go to up. There will be more in this area. That's the one reason. Then second is that let us go to the time frame of 4 hours. Just to see. I don't know whether I will be right or wrong, but we will see. Just we will see why this market is reversed at the point. See this. See guys here. See guys here. I didn't do anything. If you ask me, no, I didn't do anything. Alright. So previously it is 2019 at a market was always below. So this is the point where this is a major C here. When 2000 February 2021, this point was a major resistance level. So you can see here is a major resistance level. Same level it took a support. Okay, that's the beauty of the support and resistance line. You should draw the support and resistance with the different coloring. Then you will know these are the key points when the market is live market is touching those areas. You should be very careful. You should not think that it will go up, down, go up, and no. So this is the point when this is on the February 2021 line that is giving a support. That's why this got, and that particular area where you cannot see any resistance. There is no pivot. There is no pivot. Pivot all if you do S4, S5 also I don't see it will be near that. So this played as here on here. So that is the importance of support and resistance, guys. Okay. So we have covered that topic also. Now we will quickly come to the last topic, the moving average. So what is moving average? The moving average is calculated is based upon adding the stock prices over a certain period and dividing the sum by the total number of periods. I think what? No, it's a technical term that is on the books, but practically what is it? The moving average means is the calculate. We have moving average of 10 days, 20 days, 50 days, 100 days, and 200 days. So, but this is the adding the stock prices over a certain period. Stock prices is add the stock prices over a period, and you should divide it by the number of days you want. Like if you want by 10, you can put 10. If you want in 20 days time, you can put 20 days time. So personally, I prefer 50 EMI, exponential moving average. To give a good indicator for it. So what is the use of moving averages? So we just quickly go into our this thing. I will open I already put it the exponential moving average. So what time frame you should go here? Okay, you can put time frame of 5 minutes. Okay, so the length is the number of days. If you want 50, you can put 50 here. If you want 100, you can put 100 here. If you want 21, you can put 21 days here. I will put 50. 50, I prefer 50. So what is the purpose of moving average? The second point will come. We use moving average to confirm support price action. The price action is very, very important thing. So the main thing, if that market is trending above the moving average, it is showing as uptrend. When it is below this moving average, it is called a downtrend. That's all. Uptrend means market is bearish. Market is bullish. Downtrend means market is bearish. And third point is like moving average, bullish or bearish or sideways. There are 3 possibilities only, right? Sideways means market will go sideways. So it is you can it's a kind of a sideways, right? It's moving around the moving average. Okay. Then comes a breakthrough at 50 MA can signal a possible trend change. So it's very clear. This is a live market. Whatever market is there, whatever previous sessions, it is a live happened. So once it is breaks this moving average, you can see clearly that it breaks this moving average. Once it breaks it, market went from uptrend sideways, then it is broken this moving average in downtrend. Same thing. The downtrend is broken this time, it went uptrend. So anything you can go. The market uptrend is there, the sideways is there, as soon as the consolidation is there, sideways, then it's broken, and then it went downtrend. So again, the 15 EMA can act as support and resistance, support or resistance. See clearly, see, this is a live. You can do the back testing. So where it took support, so it took support here. It took support here, then again market went up, it came down, it support of moving average, it again came up. This is resistance, it came here, it touched here, again came down. Right? This is the resistance here, again it came down. It is crossed here and it took the support. This support of this EMI consolidation happened. See, this resistance here, then again came down. It was up and again to resistance, it came down. Moving average will act as a support or resistance. Okay. So we covered all 3 points of today's sessions: how to do support and resistance, when to get the reversal, and when breakout happens, and what point is both moving average. How to. So if you want to know in detail about any of these things, please let me know. I can do a separate session on whatever topics. If you have doubt in breakout, if you want any detail on breakout or reversal, please let me know. I can put a separate session on that based on your comments and feedback. I can create one more video for that. And if you want to know more about the moving average, आपको मूविंग एवरेज के बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहिए तो बता दिए, और आपको ये सेक्शन पूरा हिंदी में चाहिए तो भी मैं हिंदी में आपको कन्वर्ट करके दूंगा. मेरी हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन मैं पूरा ट्राई करूँगा कि आपको हिंदी में भी सिखाया जा सकता है. इंग्लिश में भी आपको एक पूरा सीखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमारा शेयर मार्केट में जो भी है वो पूरा इंग्लिश में भी डालते हैं. तो आपको इंग्लिश में भी आपको थोड़ा ध्यान दे के उसको और टर्म्स का पूरा अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा. यदि मेरा इंग्लिश में भी मैं सब लोगों को अच्छी तरह अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश जैसा मैं बोलता हूँ. तो आपको कुछ भी तकलीफ है तो मेरा वीडियो अंडरस्टैंड करने की तकलीफ है और आपको हिंदी में चाहिए तो मुझे बता देना, मैं आपको हिंदी में भी पूरा वीडियो बना के आपको दूंगा. तो हमने पूरा कवर कर चुके हैं. So guys, I hope you watched the entire video thoroughly. I believe you have taken notes on all the topics which I shared. So please, before signing off, please subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it, and please like this video and please share it to your friends and colleagues so that they get more inputs on this, and also it will give motivation to me to come up with new videos. And watch all my daily benefit analysis and watch that best strategy video. It is there in my end of this video, so you can get the link of that. That is a very important topic, guys. It will give more insights on the strategy, the best strategy you should follow. Okay, those you won't get in any of your YouTube channel. If you need to pay 10,000 or 30,000 or 1 lakh for your training sessions to get trained on that, I am giving it for free, guys. Okay, so thanks guys for watching my video. Hope you're all safe. Enjoy. Bye.